Go on, Roy.
Go on, Roy.
Make us practice.
Right, when you stop talking, just fly will be a bit vicious.
Ready, Roy?
We explained to the younger visitors in particular about the air raids, the Anderson shelters. And this is from the Second World War, with you can see the bombs actually hit, but they're okay. I know that you were supposed to go in these every night, but people didn't. They were cold and miserable. If there was food in there, you got rats. Not the place to be. So they would chance it. Now we've got a nuclear siren. Would you like to sound that?
Wow.
Pleased to say none of us.
Well,
Other
going
than
by that would be dead. We've got to take ages.
So this is the nuclear war siren.
the funny thing about this is a portable one. Of course, they advanced to have them up on top of buildings where radar signal would come in. Prior to this, they had a practice run of somebody on a push bike and a whistle. You imagine if you're going up here in a village, enemy aircraft coming over trying to blow a whistle out.
But you can, no?
These, I've got plenty of puff.
Oh, yeah.
These were for gas.
Right.
And you probably know them from football.
From football round, that's right, yeah.
Feel the weight, and by all means, whoever wants to, but hang on to it, twirl it. Mind your ears. Isn't it? And that's just wood on wood. So you need to be pretty fit for doing that. You can see why they ban them.
That's right, yeah.
Can't
And health and safety, what's something in the head?
Who's sounding the nuclear?
Right.
Rick.
1960s. Who's a 60s?
That would be Rick. Rick's a 60s boy.
So this one is.
Go on, Rick. Get in there.
Come on, Rick. Who's Rick?
Oh, no, big Rick or little Rick.
We've
got two Ricks here.
And it's a bit rickety, so I might need your foot on the other side. And that's that drone sound. Totally different. Poor person.
Pretty pointless, really, though, isn't it?
But yes, I mean exactly that.
I prefer that one, I think.
Yes.